Okay, so let's set up a drawing. You downloaded the free trial version of AutoCAD, and you will first open it up. You won't have these drawings here, but this right here you'll have. So you just want to click on a new drawing right here. You just click on that, and it'll bring up a drawing with a title block in it, ready to go. But the problem is this is a D size. A drawing which is too big for most small projects. So anyway, I'll show you how to get this to the right size. So what we want to do is right click on that there and go to the Page Setup Manager. Then we'll modify. We go to modify. Now here's the paper size of D. So Arch D 24 by 36. And they're real expensive to print out. Not if you go to a drafting service, but at Staples or Office Max, it ends up being like quite a bit more. Anyway, so we want to do a small drawing. I usually do 11 by 17 because you can have that printed on the self-serve, and it's pretty good. So ANSI B is my preferred one, so I'll click that one, and then I will click Preview, and you can see it's blank because the title block was set up for a D size. So we want to click OK. It's landscape. Everything looks good, and so we'll click OK, and we'll close this, and then we'll rename this B 11 by 17, or whatever you want to name your template there. Anyway, because what I do after this for all the other pages, because I'll have different sheets for each from the frame. All I'll do is I'll right click here and I'll copy this, and then you select this, create a copy, and you click OK. And so it makes another one. Then you can just rename this one Framing. Or whatever, floor plan or whatever. But first we got to go back here and fix this one. So we'll zoom on out, and now the title block is still there, right? Okay, so what we want to do now is move this over to, it shows these little checkout lines of your printable area. What's going to actually print on for this size. So what we'll do is we'll move this with the M, just hit M, and you get all these things right here, and select that one. And so we'll go like that, and then we'll right click, and then we'll let this select the corner here and move it exactly over here where we want to be. Right there. Now, it's still too big, but now we can adjust it easily. And so what we'll do is we'll hit S and select Scale, or we'll type in Scale. And then we'll select the same object, all these objects, right click to confirm your selection, and then the base point will be right here. Now see, you'll be able to just forget about that other one and just take this up just until you're still inside of those hidden lines, they call them, and we'll click Boom, and that's scale. So you scaled this up just perfectly. And so we just go hit Z and then E, enter, and that's zoom extents. So there we got it. There is our setup drawing for to be able to draw here. Now you can fill this stuff out, and we'll do that in the next one. I'm going to actually show you some more stuff. This is the first beginner one. You get through this, you got your drawing ready to set up. So this is Richard, and let's do another one. Okay. Stop. Oh.